We are all things AI.
JGPT just got a big memory upgrade, and here is what that actually means for you. So the memory featuring JGPT can now reference all your past chats to provide more personalized responses. And that comes in addition to the memories that have been said before. New conversations will naturally build on what Tragedy already knows about you. So replies feel more useful and relevant. I've tested it and it works pretty well, but it doesn't always recall the past chats and sometimes it needs a little help. Remembering you can also control what Chatgpt remembers, and you can turn off this feature, delete specific memories, or turn off the memory altogether. And if you want to have a conversation without using or affecting memory, you can also use the temporary chat. This update is already available for Pro and US users, except in the UK, EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein. If you've tried this update already, let me know what you think of it.